Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're the show that helps you cut through all the noise and get right to the heart of what matters in your sources. Today, we're tackling something really transformative: artificial intelligence in medicine. It's moving so fast. We've got this fascinating study. It's a bibliometric analysis, basically mapping out the research trends from 2019 to 2023. So, our mission, to show you the global picture, who the big players are, and honestly, some pretty surprising ways AI is changing healthcare.
Exactly. There's just so much research out there. It's overwhelming. Our goal is to filter that for you, highlight what's genuinely significant, help you understand where AI is really making a difference now, and maybe more importantly, where things are headed.
Okay, let's get into it. The first thing that really jumped out from the sources was just the sheer speed, the velocity of it all. We're talking, what, over 1,800 publications across the globe in
Yep.
just 5 years.
That's right. And an annual growth rate of 28.4%,
Yeah.
that's explosive growth.
It really screams paradigm shift, doesn't it? Like a whole new frontier opening up super fast.
It absolutely does.
Mhm.
And what's also fascinating isn't just the volume, it's the geography of it. The U.S. is significantly ahead in publications and citations.
Right.
Harvard Medical School, for instance, is a major hub.
Okay, Harvard leading the way.
Yeah, but China's right behind them in terms of the number of publications. It really shows this strong, growing global collaboration happening. It tells you where the key work and future partnerships might emerge from.
That makes sense. Those numbers paint a picture. But let's talk practical stuff. What about the actual applications making a difference? What did the sources highlight there?
Right, this is where it gets really interesting. Diagnostics is a huge one. Think about stroke detection. There was an AI algorithm processing CT scans for stroke,
Hmm.
and it hit 94% diagnostic sensitivity, 94%, and a 98% negative predictive value, all in about 5 minutes.
Wow, 5 minutes. For stroke, that speed is critical.
Exactly, it's life-saving speed. Or take dermatology. Deep learning models are now classifying skin cancer, basically matching the performance of experienced dermatologists.
Incredible. So it's not just helping out, AI is becoming a real key player in diagnosis itself. But what else? Beyond that initial diagnosis, where else is AI shaking things up?
Well, the research points to drug discovery, too, speeding up how we identify potential drug targets.
Hmm.
And even things like finding the right patients for clinical trials, which used to be incredibly slow and costly. AI is streamlining that,
So efficiency across the board then.
pretty much optimizing these really complex processes.
And we saw some unexpected uses pop up too, right?
Yeah.
Especially during the pandemic.
Oh, absolutely. The sources mentioned AI playing a big role during COVID-19. You had robots doing tasks like disinfecting hospitals, delivering supplies.
Reducing human exposure.
Exactly. And then, of course, there's ChatGPT. It just exploded onto the scene. And it's already impacting medical science, everything from helping write research papers to even assisting doctors with diagnostic brainstorming. It adapts so quickly.
That adaptability is key. So if we pull back, look at the bigger picture, did the analysis show a shift in what researchers are focusing on?
Yes, a very clear one. Keywords like outcomes and risk are showing up much more frequently.
Outcomes and risk. Interesting. What does that tell us?
It suggests AI is moving into conversations between doctors and patients, helping discuss health conditions, future prognosis, what might happen next. It points towards, more personalized, more predictive medicine. This is like precision medicine, even public health tracking.
So less about just what's wrong now and more what's coming for me personally.
Precisely. That's a potentially huge shift in how we manage health.
It really is. But, okay, with all this power, especially predictive power, ethics has to be a major concern. Did the source touch on that?
It definitely did. There's a growing focus on AI ethics in medicine, noted in the analysis. It really emphasizes the need for a kind of robust, ongoing conversation.
Not just tech people, talking to tech people.
No, exactly. It needs to involve patients, clinicians, ethicists, everyone. The goal is making sure the rules and regulations actually match how this technology is used in the real world, thoughtfully.
Yeah, that dialogue seems crucial. Okay, so the takeaway here is AI's integration into medicine is happening incredibly fast, and it's broad. It's not just cool tech. It's genuinely enhancing what doctors can do and improving patient care.
Undeniably, the speed and breadth are just staggering.
So thinking about this for you, the listener, beyond just knowing what's happening now, maybe consider this. How might that growing focus on outcomes and risk change your future conversations about health? Could it make them more informed, more proactive? It's definitely something powerful to think about.